Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do my braid out, chunky braid out to be exact. Usually I use a different type of cream, but today I'm just going to use Kaku leave-in conditioning cream, which is also good. It's calm. You can get it anywhere. Usually when I do a braid out or a twist out, I usually add oil, but since I don't have oil, I'm just going to use gel. And I know, quote unquote, it's canceled, but I feel like if you use it in moderation, you should be good. And my hair is about 60-70% dry. It's pretty damp, but it should be fine. And I'm using these rollers for the ends to seal them. After sectioning your hair into 4 sections, you're going to start off in the back. I'm putting the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and then for the smaller section, that's when I'll add the gel. So for the back, I'm just going to do a regular old braid going down. Once you're finished with the braid, you're gonna get the small or any type of roller really, and just gonna roll it. Then you gotta twist it once and then roll it again. And that's what I did for the whole head. Now for this piece, I'm gonna be cornrowing it down instead of just doing one braid. I feel like this will just give it more definition. Like I said earlier, for the perm rod, I'm gonna roll it, then I'm gonna twist it, and then I'm gonna roll it again. And I'm doing that for the whole head. For the front, I'm just sectioning it in 3 sections, and it's gonna be regular braids. Once completed, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 in the front, 2 in the back, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm gonna take out all the rods and all the braids. Once you finish taking out all the braids, you're just gonna separate it so it gets more fluffy. And once that step is done, you could take your pick, or as you can see, I have a comb and a wide tooth comb. You're just gonna pick your hair until it's the desired look. Yeah.
$2,000 years later.